Hi, it's Amanda. How are you feeling? I'm feeling like I need a little hair of the dog. So we're gonna make a Bloody Mary today. It's been a really long time since I've had a Bloody Mary. It's a Sunday brunch or Saturday brunch classic, but it can be for any time. It's a drink and a snack. And really there's no recipe, honestly. This is just what you like. Spice it up, season it up, taste it, get the vodka in there and go crazy with garnishes. So I have some high quality tomato juice here. I'm going to put in some Worcestershire sauce. I like mine really salty, meaty, spicy. Some hot sauce, some horseradish. Okay, I don't even know if there's enough horseradish in this bottle for me. I like it to be chunky. I like so much horseradish in mine. A little bit of soy sauce. Again, getting that saltiness. We're really getting the salt back in our body after doing whatever we did last night. I'm gonna garnish mine with olives, so I have a little olive juice here. And I'm gonna stir it up, and you have to taste this. There's no way you can go right in without tasting it. So stir it up, give it a taste. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I think it needs even a little more olive juice. And you can let this sit. If you haven't partied too hardy, you can make this the night before and let it hang out. And of course, we're gonna add some vodka. How are you feeling? Would you like one shot? 2 shots? It all depends on what kind of night it was before. I like to make it a little bit strong. The tomato juice is so thick. There's so many other flavors. I'm gonna take my Bloody Mary glass and just put a little lemon around the rim, some Tajin spice, which is chili, and a little bit of lime. You can put whatever you like, Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, whatever it is that you like. And then you put the ice. All right. Yes, that's the good part, but garnish is even better. This is where it gets fun. Celery is a must. Pickled green beans are some of my favorite. Of course, the olives. A little extra black pepper on top. And that's our Bloody Mary. Cheers. I hope it makes you feel good.